What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you guys we got some parts in the mail. So that means one of our projects is going to move forward real quick. So as you can see, looks like our TCI parts showed up. Total cost involved out of California, Ontario. So we originally ordered this from CPP, which is Classic Performance Products, I believe, out of California. Placentia, California. This is the Nova triangulated 4-link kit with frame connectors and cross member. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. You guys can check it out, get everything ready, make sure we got everything we need, and then we'll get the Nova inside. Start doing that. All right, so got here, obviously coilovers. It's actually really nice, not bad. So we're gonna disassemble those and obviously paint them. They come just gray. It's actually nice. A lot of bags. A lot of bolts, a lot of spacers. So I like to lay everything out on a table like this, and just to kind of get a head start before I bring the car in. And then once I bring the car in, do the same thing where I have the table set up. Obviously the split window, I would have to move out of the way so I have more room, which is not a big deal. Even though the rear differential is completely out of the split window vet, but that's okay. More projects. Really nice. Some nice stuff. It's really nice. As you can see, this box got damaged during shipping. It actually was raining and it got soaked, and as soon as I picked it up, it blew apart. So struggling. Jesus. I don't think they put enough staples on this box. Oh my God. Things are like iron. Very sharp. Very sharp. This box got ripped during shipping as well. That's all good. It's all good. All that for one bar. I'm just kidding. Don't worry, I'll give you guys a close-up once I get everything out of the box. Give you some close-ups. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow. Oh man. I'm gonna give you close-ups now. This stuff's nice. So, just to give you a quick little rundown, there's a couple little brackets. This is obviously for some sort of like a track bar or a diagonal link. These are the axle housing brackets. These things are nice. Tell you, they do a nice job on these. Can't beat it. That's nice. A lot of little small part bags. A couple plates. That looks like some sort of a track bar, diagonal link. These are the 4 bars, they're 1.25 inches, which is really nice. These things are welded nice. It's nice quality. Whoever does their welding does a nice job. So this is really nice. So these are the frame connectors. Wow, these things are sweet. Some really nice welds. Damn. And this is technically a bolt-on kit. So we are going to bolt it on, but then we are also going to weld it. Because I'm a firm believer that no matter what you do, if you bolt something together that's structural, it's going to come loose. It looks like this guy took a bathroom break. Look, hold on. So, if you could see that. He started out really good. He was like, yeah. Oh, man, I got to go to the bathroom. Oh, geez. Oh, man. Okay, I'm going to stop right there and go to the bathroom. Nah, that's a good weld. I'm just messing. It's nice parts. Oh, wow. Damn, that's really nice. Obviously, this is the upper shock mount. Or, sorry, upper coilover mounts. Wow. Tell you, they did a really nice job on this. Can't beat it. I mean, I want to say, if I remember how much this cost, I want to say it was a couple grand, maybe 1,500. I mean, you can't beat it. That's some nice stuff. I mean, we're not even done unboxing all the goodies. Look at these bad boy. Holy cow. They give you exhaust notch. Man, drive shaft loop. Really nice setup. Man. I think even if I tried to make this, I wouldn't make it this nice. So why not buy it? Damn. Now look at that. That's really nice. Did a nice job. Except for right there, he got kind of nervous. Ah, bring in the new guy. Yep. This is how you're supposed to weld. Okay, let me try. Oh, no. Oh. No, I'm just kidding. I'm real happy with these parts. Super stupendous. Oh, this is sweet. What do we got here? A little bracket up. Cut myself. Ouchie. Not really sure. Looks like some sort of a link. So that would be the other side of the bracket for the triangle. So my guess is that's one of your, that's your diagonal link, which is a long, skinnier, looks like 3/4 rod. And that would be the other side that it mounts to possibly. So let's look at the directions. Yes, I read directions. Don't laugh. I think that's it. It's like Christmas around here. Pretty wild. Well, that is the 62 to 67 Chevy Nova 4-link installation instrucciones. I got pictures. That's all I need. We don't need instructions. Actually, I really need those. Sweet. So that's it, man. We got parts. Everything looks really nice. So yeah, day in the life of Tartaglia's Rod Shop. Super stupendous. So hopefully you enjoyed the quick little video, little unboxing. Just kind of showing you what I do. I mean, other stuff, I race prepped the BMW today and yesterday. And if you want, I can make a video about what we do when we race prep. So if you, I mean, just put it in the comments if you guys want videos on that kind of stuff. There's obviously different types of race prep. You have drag racing, you have road racing, practice test days. It's all different because you don't really know what you're going to do. If you have data from previous events, you can set the car up for the data that you have based on the track you're going to. So there's all different things that we're trying right now with the BMW, and it's work in progress. Car's running really good though. But this video is all about the Nova. So I'm gonna get the Nova inside today, start taking a peek. I'll throw that in this video too. You guys can check that out, and we'll go from there. Continue. Alright, pulled it out of the trailer. Sounds good. Oh, that's right, we got Sniper EFI people. Yeah, buddy. Fan should be kicking out any second. She's running good. And yes, it's a stick car. 4-speed Muncie right now, gonna be a 4L80. Fell. She's definitely dirty. Been sitting, waiting on parts. And yeah, it's getting a new paint job, so none of that'll be there anymore. Let's get this bad boy in. So she's inside now. Not too bad. Yeah, he had it lettered after I painted it because the paint came out okay. It's not great. If you see it in the sun, you'll understand. And he's like, what do I do? And I'm like, I don't know, throw some graphics on it. That was his motocross number, 141. So I kind of gave it a little bit of something. The TRS, Tartaglia's Rod Shop. A little bit of something, but that's all going away. So all the trim is powder coated, so that's staying black. But we are changing the color. Car's gonna get sanded back down. Bumpers are staying black, obviously. Everything's staying black. That's black. The gray is no longer going to be a satin. Doesn't look horrible, but it's just not great. I'm not happy with it either. It was a garage job. So, garage jobs suck. They work, but not the greatest. They get a light. 63 split window. So, tried to keep this car as clean as possible. You really don't see a lot of wiring. Notice you can't really see anything other than what's coming out of the firewall, which is factory style. We redid a lot. And then I kept it down low. So it's way down here with a low mount alternator. The wires run across. Over here, we have a circuit breaker with some relays for the fans. I noticed the fan wire is hanging for some reason. That used to be zip tied. I don't know why it's loose, whatever. I'll fix that. These were the headers that came with the car. I just wrapped them, made them look pretty. So, but yes, we have the Holley Sniper. So it's a good little motor. I bet you this motor's making 420 horsepower, give or take. It's a light car too, so. But yeah, we're mini tubbing, doing the 4-link rear. So those little tiny tires, those are going bye-bye. Gonna get a nice 10-inch wide. It'll be a 28 10.5 non-W tire in the back with a 10-inch wide rim. It's gonna look good. It's gonna sit down just a little bit. He doesn't want it too low, but it's definitely gonna sit. Changing wheels and tires. No longer the rallies. So cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the little video unboxing. Gonna get rolling on this project, so my brother will be happy because I know he's been hounding me, but unfortunately waiting on parts, so I can't really do anything. I mean, what am I gonna do? Disassemble the whole car? And then it sits? Can't do that. So stay tuned, future videos. Appreciate everybody subscribing. Share it, like it, comment. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Enjoy your day.